How to deposit crypto on the Binance app. 1. Log into your Binance app and tap Deposit. 2. Choose Deposit Crypto. 3. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, for example, BNB. 4. You'll see the available networks for depositing BNB. Please choose carefully and make sure that the selected network is the same as the network of the platform you are withdrawing funds from. If you select the wrong network, your funds might be lost and cannot be recovered. 5. You'll see a QR code and the deposit address for the network you chose. Tap the copy icon to copy the deposit address, then paste it to the address field on the platform you intend to withdraw crypto from. You may also tap Save and Share Address to save the QR code and import it to the withdrawing platform directly. 6. You can also select which wallet to deposit funds to by tapping More Details. Tap Spot Wallet and choose where you wish the deposit to be credited to, Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet. 7. After confirming the deposit request, your transfer will be processed. The confirmation time varies depending on the blockchain and its current network traffic. Once confirmed, the funds will be credited to your Binance account shortly after. In a detailed way. How do I deposit/withdraw cryptocurrency on Binance app? With the Binance deposit or withdrawal function, you can transfer your crypto assets from your Binance account to other platforms or wallets. Let's take a look. How to deposit crypto on Binance. Let's take 10 USDT as an example to see how to transfer crypto from a corresponding platform to your Binance account in 2 easy steps. 1. Choose the cryptocurrency's deposit address on Binance. 2. Copy the deposit address and paste it on the address field on the platform you intend to withdraw funds. Log in to your Binance account. Deposit. Then select Crypto. Select USDT. Choose the deposit network. And you will see all of the supported networks on Binance. BEP2 refers to BNB Beacon Chain, former Binance Chain. BEP20 refers to BNB Smart Chain. ERC20 refers to the Ethereum network. TRC20 is a technical standard used for smart contracts on the Tron network. We can see the networks as different banks and keep in mind that you cannot transfer your assets through an unsupported network. For example, although the BEP20 Binance Smart Chain address and ERC20 Ethereum address look similar, the BEP20 address handling fee is lower than the ERC20. Please do not choose an address due to the lower handling fees. Make sure to select a supported network. And if you choose the BEP20 BNB Smart Chain as the deposit address, you will lose your digital assets. After selecting the deposit network ERC20 Ethereum, click to copy the USDT deposit address. Open the platform or wallet that you need to withdraw and copy the ERC20 Ethereum address to the withdraw address column. After confirming the withdrawal, the cryptocurrency will be added to your balance. So please wait patiently for the transfer to be processed. And you can find transaction details under Transaction History. How to withdraw cryptocurrency on Binance. Let's try with BNB withdrawal and use BEP2 BNB Beacon Chain as the network to see how it works. Go to Deposit and select BNB. Under Network, select BNB for BNB Beacon Chain BEP2. Click the button to copy the deposit address and memo. Go to Withdraw and select BNB. Send via Crypto Network. Paste the address. And check the network is BNB Beacon Chain BEP2. Choose the wallet you want to withdraw from and enter the desired amount. You will see the corresponding transaction fee since some specific tokens in the networks use the same address. You will have to fill in the memo to identify the user's transfer transaction. Please make sure that both memo and deposit addresses are accurate and correctly filled. Check the details and click on Withdraw. You need to verify your request with 2FA verification. Please enter the phone or email verification code within the time limit. Please note, if you input the wrong information or select the wrong network when making a transfer, please make sure that All of your information is entered correctly before making a transfer. You're all set to deposit cryptos on the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange.